Hey guys, what's up? And I'm going to show you my entire fidget collection. So let's get on with it. The first thing is this butterfly poppet. It's a rainbow and it has all the colors and it's really cute. The second thing is this square poppet and I got it from Marshall's and it is a cotton candy one. It has 100 bubbles. This one I got from Mastermind Toys. It is pink and it's a circle poppet. This one I got from Winners and it's a unicorn pink poppet. This pineapple one I got from a wedding shower that I went to and it is a yellow pineapple. The next poppet is this tie-dye poppet from Mastermind Toys and it is a circle poppet. The next thing is this Santa Claus hat poppet. I got it Christmas time from my cousin's girlfriend and my cousin, but yeah. And it's a Santa Claus hat shape. Next thing is this giant unicorn poppet. It is rainbow and it has 150 pops. Okay, so that's all my fidgets. Oh, poppets, never mind. It's this homemade poppet. Okay, that's it for all my poppets. So now we're gonna go on to my random fidgets. This flippy bracelet. This infinity cube. This tangles, I actually have two. This bracelet that you just play with. A pop cube. A wacky track. A puzzle ball. A fidget spinner poppet. Another fidget spinner poppet. A flippy octopus. And it's purple. Well, I have shapes, but a tangle. Okay, that's it for all of my fidget, like just weird things that I don't know where I put. Okay, my slimes and stuff. My first one is this Play-Doh. Pink. Next one is this purple clay. Next is this pink putty. It's like really soft. The next thing is this orange clay. Oh my god, this is soft. Next thing is this purple Play-Doh. And then next is this green clay. And then some pink Play-Doh. And that's it for all of my like slimes and Play-Dohs, all that jazz. So the last but not least category are all my squishies. So the first squishy is a homemade squishy. It's slow rising. It's squishy. Next squishy is this foam squishy. Slow rising. The next thing is this DNA ball. It has pink, blue, and purple DNA. I have a pink banana that peels, so you can peel it like this. The next thing is the squishy Orbeez dog. PBJ. A squishy light up ball. a squishy mochi. Wait, let me get them. My globbles have lots. I'm gonna show you each. So my Neato globbles. Sorry, the light. Focus. It's not focusing, but neon globbles. My off-brand Neato globbles, the stickier ones. Air globbles. And balloon gobbles homemade. The last squishy is this slow rising plastic bag squishy. So that's all my fidgets. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you guys on next time. Goodbye. Mwah.